Hello everyone, back with me again. Today we're going to talk about Theory Graph and their application. Have you ever wondered how Google Maps finds the fastest route, or how Instagram connects people? Well, behind all of that, there's a simple but powerful concept in computer science called a graph. Let's take a look. What is a graph? A graph is a mathematical structure used in computer science and mathematics to represent relationships between objects. It consists of two main components: nodes, also called vertices, and edges. Nodes represent individual objects, while edges represent the connections or relationships between those objects. Graph theory is the study of graphs and how they behave. In this theory, nodes represent entities such as people, places, or items, while edges represent the relationships or interactions between them. For example, consider three nodes labeled A, B, and C. If there is a connection between A and between B and C, we can draw edges linking them. This helps us clearly see how each node is related. Graphs can also include additional information, such as weights on edges, to represent distance, cost, or time, or labels that describe the type of relationship. Graphs can be classified based on whether their edges have direction or not. A directed graph uses arrows to show the direction of relationships between nodes, meaning the connection goes from one node to another in a specific way, such as A to B, but not necessarily from B to A. In contrast, an undirected graph has no arrows, meaning the connection between nodes is mutual or two-way, where A is connected to B and B is also connected to A. Graphs are widely used in many real-life applications to represent and analyze relationships between objects. For example, in navigation systems like Google Maps, graphs are used to model locations as nodes and roads as edges, allowing the system to calculate the shortest and fastest routes between destinations. In social media platforms such as Instagram, users are represented as nodes, while their interactions, friendships, or followers are represented as edges, helping to analyze networks and recommend new connections. In addition, graphs are also used in computer networks, where devices like computers act as nodes, and the connections between them form edges to enable data communication. In conclusion, graphs are powerful tools for modeling and understanding relationships between different entities. By representing objects as nodes and their connections as edges, graphs make complex systems easier to visualize, analyze, and solve.